Welcome back to Auto Flair, your go-to channel for the latest in high-performance machines, and today we are talking about the beast that's about to redefine American muscle, the 2026 Mustang GTD. This is not just another Mustang. This is a street-legal track monster born straight from Ford's racing legacy and infused with cutting-edge technology and design. Get ready to experience performance at a whole new level. Under the hood, the 2026 Mustang GTD roars to life with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an estimated 800 horsepower. That's right, 800 horses controlled by a precision-tuned 8-speed dual-clutch rear transaxle for optimal weight distribution and lightning-fast gear changes. This setup makes the GTD feel more like a GT3 race car than a traditional street Mustang. And it shows, both in straight-line speed and corner carving capability. Aerodynamics play a huge role in the design of the GTD. You'll notice the aggressive wide-body stance, the massive rear wing with active aero, and the race-inspired front fascia. The carbon fiber body panels not only give it a mean, futuristic look but also help in reducing weight for better handling and speed. Every vent, scoop, and surface is crafted to keep the GTD glued to the pavement, whether you're on the track or the street. Step inside and you're greeted by a race-ready yet luxurious interior. Recaro bucket seats wrap around you, providing support during high-speed cornering. The digital cockpit is fully customizable, showing vital performance data like G-forces, lap times, and tire pressure. High-end materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum surround you, proving this car is as much about premium experience as it is about raw power. The GTD also includes advanced performance tech like adaptive suspension, a titanium exhaust system, carbon ceramic brakes, and track-specific drive modes. And yes, it's got all the latest driver assistance and connectivity features including Ford's Sync system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air performance updates. What really sets the GTD apart is its exclusivity. This is not a mass-produced car. Ford is keeping production numbers limited, making it a collector's dream and a symbol of what the future of American performance looks like. If you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just driving a car, you're driving Ford's ultimate street-legal race machine. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Flair for more in-depth looks at the hottest cars shaping the future. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any updates from the world of horsepower and innovation.